Hey y'all, so we're back.
I think I would have them fix that blanket. That's not what we did.
For sure.
I mean, even though that's gonna like push it back.
I don't care. It's October 21st.
It would push it back to January.
And
well, no, they got this shit up pretty quick. See, all you do is pull the side.
we thought this whole thing was going to be brick, much like every other house here, except one house isn't like that. So I find it weird that we picked that. I can't imagine that I picked that, but
yeah,
I mean,
over having the option of having it all brick, I feel like we definitely would have picked the all brick.
yeah, so we have paperwork at home so we can kind of explore. But yeah, only the bottom part is brick. It's kind of weird. So we're going to look at our paperwork.
Maybe we need to bring some tape measure too so we can make sure these doors are wide enough. I don't seem like they're wide doors.
Hello?
You messed up if you're in here.
My office.
They did some stuff with the cord.
They did some core stuff. I figured they didn't come over here and just put up some dang on. Oh, here's something on the wall. Yeah, that's why. Oh, let's see. I can't. I understand. I'm pointing out outside, but I can't show y'all this because it has our name on it and our information.
Red Stone, Kentucky blend.
That's the color.
I don't remember nothing being named Kentucky blend.
Garage door color white. I don't remember picking out a Kentucky blend anything either. This is what we're looking at. Oh, I can show this part. They have everything here. Agreeable gray.
What's Yukon white? Yeah, we gotta look at that paper because
I'm gonna take a picture of this. I didn't add that. What is that?
The only thing we added was the soft closed drawers, the roll out trash can, the patio with the ceiling fan, center hinge. All right, we picked this door instead of the sliding door.
I'm pretty sure we did not pick that.
Stone H2O.
And garage.
And garage. That's got to be what that covering on the outside is. I don't recall that,
so we'll have to check. Let me see. What's my office? Extremely white. Yeah, that's, I think, accurate. Yeah, I think that's accurate.
Yeah, agreeable gray. I remember that.
So yeah, this is what they have done today. We were just kind of coming to check out this brick situation because I'd hate for them to have messed up our brick and then, you know, but yeah.
All right, bottom body, Flint.
Yeah, I picked Flint.
I remember hearing the word pewter or something.
Pewter?
I just remember hearing pewter.
Here's our door. I know it's kind of weird that I point down at the ground, but our address is actually kind of throughout. That's how they mark the homes. So to be safe, I point at the floor. Okay, let's see what they got going in here. Okay, not much different from last time. The bathrooms are pretty good length. I really wish I had my camera because it does a wider angle, but neither here nor there. Okay, so we need to figure out this. Laundry room's gonna be huge. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my room. Depends on if I want one big window or two. That's pretty much the determining factor. Also, I mean, you'll be like, what? You're a private person? Somewhat, regarding where I dwell. So I don't know how much more we'll be able to show, but I'm gonna show as much as I can before.
See, that's darker there. That's that
Yeah.
flint coming.
Yeah, so yeah, we don't know what's going on here. Let me back up and make sure I like it. Back at it on the 24th of October, I think today is. And it appears as though they have worked on the garage. I'm going through the front door. Huh? Yeah, I know. Oh, that's cute. And the ceiling. Yeah, that ceiling as well. All the ceilings. So I guess they're probably doing heating and cooling. And this all looks the same as well. No doorknobs. Guess it doesn't matter. Here is the porch. No ceiling fan yet or anything. This is gonna be a cute little space. This is gonna be a cute little house. Saturday, October 26th, we have shutters. And we have some other ish too. One of the issues that we have is lots of doors that need to be painted. Oh, it's like the whole door.
No, they're going like that.
Like the frame and all.
Yeah, with the frame. That's probably
Yeah. Yes. Hunty.
We have pillars.
We got a pillar.
3 pillars.
We have pillars. Yes, Hunty. Yeah. I mean, they may have done something, but whatever it wasn't impressive.
What is it? Where do you see what they did? Oh, we got cabinets!
Oh my God!
We're gonna see!
Look at my pools.
This is where you're gonna be doing dishes at.
Who do? No, where the dishwasher gonna be? Right there? Yeah. No, right here, fool.
No, that's the stove. Range.
Well, where the heck is the
Dishwasher.
How the dishwasher gonna be?
Next to the sink.
Well, where the sink gonna be? Oh. Oh my God. Here we were throwing Shay. I know, y'all.
Let's make sure these are the right
Let me back up, because y'all be tripping when I don't be paying attention to what I'm doing. Look, I do good to vlog. I promise I do.
Make sure they're right.
Oh, my soft clothes?
Seems pretty soft to me.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, the handles.
But I bet you was in here.
Shelves. We got shelves. Oh, okay. We got the back.
Yeah, they're gonna be everywhere.
Huh?
They're gonna be everywhere because the cabinet people came
Oh yeah, true.
for a spell. They clearly didn't
So you
finish.
got this side, put stuff under there. I got my side. You can put shit.
Yeah, I'll take the two top ones. You get the bottom.
What side are you taking? I'm taking this left side.
I guess I'm taking it right. That's the only side left. What you mean?
I know that's it.
Well, that settles it. Sheesh. Those are so cute.
Well, you ain't getting nowhere else.
This, because the granite people haven't, this is laminate or whatever.
Yeah, I was about to say this one seems kind of
Open it.
Ah, that's fancy. I ain't never seen that before.
Cool.
And then the guest room is right here, right?
We got to go over this every time.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Let's go talk to our loan officers here today. Sometimes a different loan officer's here. I mean, not loan officer, realtor, so we're going to talk to him.